I recently posted a video on TikTok about how you can build a platform that finds or where you can upload your CV and it finds jobs from multiple job boards like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor and tells them how well you fit to these jobs. It recommends these jobs to you. And a lot of people were telling me I should do an in-depth tutorial on this video. So today I'm going to show you how you can build this whole platform easily with AI. The first thing you have to do is go to Claude. If you watch my previous video, we talked about how to create an account on Claude. All you have to just do is go to claude.com. As you can see, I'm already signed in here. Maybe let me just log out so that you can see again. You go to claude.ai, you come here, you can easily continue with your Google account, or you can enter your email, but I am going to just log in with my email. And once you've logged in or once you've created your account, we are going to write a prompt or send a message. Like I said, Claude is more of like an assistant. It's an AI tool. You just have to tell it what to do and it does it. It executes what you want it to do. Now, what I'm going to do here is I am going to bring in my resume. I have a resume. You have to attach your resume, whatever work you're doing. If you have a CV or resume, you attach it. Then you tell it, oh, I want you write a message or a prompt saying, I want you to build a platform that can find jobs from LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, and even Google. Yeah, so we'll get there. And even Google. So we want Claude to find jobs that fits, your resume or your current experience. So I will say I want to find jobs that fit the attached or my resume attached, the attached resume from LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, and even Google. So, other things they can have if you are also applying to, jobs, if you are from Nigeria and also applying to jobs in other countries, you can add some filters. You can tell it to add country filters. You can even specify the countries, like let's say US, Canada, UK, France, and so on. You get? So once you do that, the next thing you have to do is we'll leave it here and we'll go to another platform. Now, the name of that platform is Apify or Apify. So that's the platform that Claude is going to use to build, or Claude is going to use to find this job, because it's a web scraping platform. It finds data. So we'll leave this prompt here and come to Apify, API FY. So you come to Apify, and now come to apify.com. You will see it here, apify.com. And once you get here, you have to create an account for sure. You create an account. I'm going to create an account here. Okay, so now we'll click on Get Started. Click on Get Started to continue. It will load up and we'll be able to create an account. We can continue with Google or email. So I just want the process to be fast and I will continue with Google as usual. I will just select my Google account and we are in. And we are in. So now our account is created on Apify. We can, here they tell us to add a name, whatever name you want to add, it's fine. It's fine. You can choose whatever name. And once you have created your account, The only thing you have to do, you don't have to search for either Google Maps scraper, TikTok scraper. You don't have to search for any scraper. You just have to do one thing. Come to settings, and no, you don't have to pay for it. It's free. Come to settings. Once you go to settings, you will see accounts. At the top, you will see accounts, login, where you have this API and integrations. You click on it, and all you have to do is copy what we call an API key or API token. So here they have this API token here. So you just copy this API token. You click on this copy, there's a copy here. You copy this and we go back to Claude. Once you're in Claude, all you have to do is, let's say, write a message saying use Apify to find this, to find the jobs. Then you have something like here's my API key. And what you do here is you paste your API key. You paste your API key here. And then the last thing you do, like I said in my previous video, you tell Claude, give me this platform as a downloadable HTML file. That's all you have to do. So I didn't specify much. Definitely, if you're working with Claude or you're working with any other AI tool, the more you add more, specifics, the more it gives you something better. So I can even say, okay, call the name of this platform this name, or do something else, whatever I want you to do. Like I can also tell you to add time filters, like 24 hours, 1 week, 1 month, and so on. So, this helps so that you can see jobs that were posted either today, were posted this week, and so on. So you can specify, but for the sake of this tutorial, we'll just put this and we'll see what Claude gives us. So let's click on enter or click on this button. Let's see what Claude does. It has finally built the platform for us. And if you scroll down, you would see the HTML file that it has given us, this platform. So all we have to do is to download this file. Once we download, if you click on download, you will see it has been downloaded. If I click on this file now, it will open. You can see the file right now. It has my name. Since I gave it my resume, it just has information about me. And I can even paste my API key here again. I can paste it, paste the key, and I can search for jobs. So what it will do is that it will search for these jobs based on my resume, the jobs I actually fit. It will search and match them for me. So let's see the results of what it's going to give me. It has done a search and it has given me a lot of jobs. As you can see, 284 listings. I can see a lot of jobs from LinkedIn, from Glassdoor. If you scroll down, there are a lot from Indeed and so on. But what we can do to even make this better, because right now it seems as if it's just giving me generic jobs that were just posted. What we can do is go back to Claude and tell it to still tailor the jobs to your resume, for the jobs to fit your resume. Once you impute that in, it will give you more jobs that fit your resume. Right now, it's giving me a whole lot of jobs, and yes, I can come here and just apply to them immediately. But you can still tweak this to fit your resume, and it gives you jobs that fit your resume. For example, here's another one I created. I gave it specific information on Claude, and it was able to create a platform where I can see, it shows me how many that is found, how many I'm a strong match at, the ones that are remote, the ones that were saved, and you can see that it shows me, okay, for this job I have a 92% of getting this job. For this other job, I have an 80% of getting this job. It ranks this job for you, and you can go in and easily apply for these jobs. You see the link and you can click apply, and you go on to apply for these jobs. So this is how you can create a platform that searches these job boards for you and gives you jobs that, where you rank higher, instead of going into those multiple job boards trying to apply one after the other. If you really like this tutorial, click on the like button and subscribe because I'll be dropping more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.